to be doing a series of 9 songs, and today we're going to be doing the first one, which is Hot Cross Buns. Hot Cross Buns only has 3 main notes, which is B, A, and G. For B, you put your thumb on the back hole, and then you put your index finger on the first hole. For A, you do the same thing, but then you put your middle finger on the second hole. G is also the same thing as A, but then you put your ring finger on the third hole. So now I'm going to play Hot Cross Buns.